We're discussing a topic that affects millions of people daily: caffeine. While many of us rely on our morning coffee or energy drinks, it's essential to understand the potential side effects of consuming too much caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and even some sodas. It works by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep, leading to increased alertness, but this boost comes with a price. Let's start with the most common side effects many people experience. Number 1, jitters and anxiety. Too much caffeine can lead to restlessness, nervousness, and high anxiety levels. For some, it can even trigger panic attacks. Number 2, insomnia. Consuming caffeine, especially later in the day, can disrupt sleep patterns, making it hard to fall asleep or stay asleep. Number 3, increased heart rate. Caffeine can cause a rapid heartbeat known as tachycardia, which can be uncomfortable and concerning for some individuals. Number 4, digestive issues. For some, caffeine can lead to upset stomachs, acid reflux, or diarrhea, particularly in large quantities. Now let's talk about some long-term effects of regular caffeine consumption. Regular intake can lead to physical dependence, and skipping your usual caffeine fix can result in withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and irritability. Second, caffeine can also temporarily raise blood pressure, which may be a concern for individuals with hypertension or heart issues. And finally, coffee could raise your cholesterol levels, which could lead to heart problems in the future. It's also important to consider the source of caffeine. While coffee and tea bring some health benefits, energy drinks and sodas often contain high levels of sugar and other additives, which can exacerbate health issues like weight gain and metabolic problems. The best choice is not to have any beverages containing caffeine for optimal health. So if you're looking to cut back on caffeine, here are a few tips. Don't stop drinking caffeine drinks all at once. Try substituting them for a healthier beverage every other day until you're ready to stop completely. Stay hydrated. Often we reach for caffeine when we're actually dehydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help reduce cravings. Find alternatives. Explore herbal teas, cereal coffees, or healthier versions of your favorite drinks to satisfy your cravings. While caffeine can provide a much-needed boost, it's essential to be aware of its potential side effects and long-term impacts on health. Moderation is key, and being mindful of your intake can help you enjoy the benefits without the drawbacks. One of my favorite Bible verses is found in 1 Corinthians 10:31. So whether you eat or drink, or whatever you do, do all to the glory of God. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about the potential dangers of caffeine. If you found this episode valuable, please share it with friends and subscribe for more health insights. Until next time, take care of your body and mind. God bless.